Welcome back, everybody. What I'm going to do here is a little bit of cleanup grinding, and I'll explain why. What we did is we took a cut wheel here, and we cut all the headlight area out on the core support for the 81C10. And the main strap bar, it's heavy duty steel in here. See, we don't need none of that. We're going to make a thin bar from each, most likely using a scrap material, as so. It'll lead up to a circle ring that I can hook the headlights into, and we'll have our obviously our parking lights and everything all set up back there. But long story short, what we're going to do is we're going to have a Phantom custom grill on this thing, and all the headlights hidden behind it anyway. But I want to put a big old headlight in the center, 7-8 inch, a monster in the center, so it has big old headlights hidden behind there, rather than like it had before. It had a little square one here, that was it, a dummy one, and then the parking light. It was ridiculous. So that ain't gonna cut it on this vehicle. And then this way, without the strap here, we got a little more airflow in here. We'll put the dual fans, we'll get this all painted, then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna do some grinding right here to trim up some of this, and you guys will actually get to see some of the stuff I do in real time, and that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say other than that. I appreciate anybody that tries to watch and sees it. So, you know, you get to see I'm actually the one doing everything in the vehicle. You know, a lot of it isn't shown. I'm not great at filming, so it's basically I'll do some work, then show you afterwards, and before I've been doing that, well, I'm trying to get where I can show you me working, doing it, and talk at the same time and get stuff done. It's almost impossible most of the time. 25, 30, 40 minutes more of grinding here. So I appreciate everybody watching. This is just kind of some of the stuff I have to do this. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Appreciate you. Peace. I'm out.